This quick tutorial is to show you how to import a MIDI file into GarageBand. I'm going to presume that you've already opened GarageBand and you've got yourself to the point where you're starting a new project. At this point, the key signature, time signature are largely irrelevant because that will all be dictated by the MIDI file. So you need to start an empty project, hit choose. Once you've done that, you need to set up a software instrument anyway, because otherwise GarageBand won't let you actually interact with it. So set up a software instrument, and then you need to be able to see your desktop where you've got your MIDI file sitting. And importing the MIDI file is as easy as clicking and dragging it into GarageBand. You want to make sure that as you're dragging it in, you've got it in line with the start of bar 1. Once you are there, let go of the mouse key and it will ask you if you want to import the tempo, which you do. And then it will start the import process. Doesn't take very long. And you'll see that all of the tracks become available. Now that we've got that in, we can see we've got all 16 tracks. We can now get rid of the top track, which was the software instrument we created for a start, just by clicking on it and hitting delete. And then you'll also notice that the first track that's been imported from the MIDI file is an informational track. It's headers rather than any musical information. So you can delete that one as well. If you tap the delete key, it will delete what's on the track, and then tapping it a second time will delete the track itself. That will leave you with 16 tracks, which you're ready to edit.